How to Make Your Child Interested in Studying, a comprehensive guide. Nurturing a love for learning in our children is one of the most rewarding and impactful roles we play as parents. In a world brimming with distractions and technological allure, motivating our children to take an interest in studying can be a challenging endeavor. However, with the right strategies and a dash of creativity, you can transform their perspective on studying from a mundane task into an exciting adventure. This comprehensive guide delves into practical tips and methods that parents can use to make studying an engaging and enjoyable experience for their children. 1. Create a positive learning environment. Building a conducive learning environment is the crucial first step in sparking your child's interest in studying. A comfortable and well-organized study space. Designate a specific area for studying. Ensure it is well lit, free from clutter, and equipped with all the necessary supplies. A comfortable chair and a clean, uncluttered desk can make a significant difference in concentration and motivation. Minimize distractions. During study time, keep distractions like TV, video games, and smartphones out of reach. Create a distraction-free zone to help your child focus solely on their studies. 2. Encourage curiosity and exploration. Fostering curiosity is fundamental to making studying enjoyable. Cultivate a growth mindset. Teach your child that intelligence and abilities can be developed through effort and perseverance. Encourage them to embrace challenges and view failures as stepping stones toward improvement. Share stories of famous individuals who faced setbacks but eventually succeeded through hard work and determination. Foster a love for reading. Surround your child with books on a wide range of topics and create a cozy reading nook where they can immerse themselves in stories and information. Regular trips to the library and bedtime stories can instill a lifelong love for reading. 3. Make learning fun. Learning doesn't have to be dry and monotonous. Inject some excitement into the process. Gamify learning. Turn study sessions into engaging games or quizzes. Educational apps and websites offer interactive experiences that can captivate your child's interest while reinforcing important concepts. For example, math games can make learning arithmetic enjoyable. Hands-on activities. Incorporate hands-on experiments, projects, or creative tasks related to their studies. Whether it's building a volcano model for a science project or creating a visual timeline for history, interactive learning experiences can make studying more memorable and exciting. 4. Be a supportive role model. Children often emulate their parents' behaviors and attitudes. Show them your enthusiasm for learning. Share your interests. Discuss your own intellectual pursuits and hobbies with your child. Whether you're exploring a new language, practicing a musical instrument, or engaging in gardening, let them see your passion for lifelong learning. Explain how these pursuits fulfill your curiosity and provide personal growth. 5. Establish a routine. Consistency is key when it comes to studying. Set a study schedule. Establish a daily or weekly routine for studying, preferably at a time when your child is most alert and focused. Consistency helps build a sense of discipline and responsibility. 6. Provide positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement can motivate and inspire your child. Praise effort, not just results. Acknowledge and celebrate your child's hard work and progress, regardless of the outcome. Emphasize that learning is about growth and improvement, not just achieving high grades. This approach instills a healthy attitude toward the learning process itself. 7. Support their interests. Recognize the importance of extracurricular activities. Encourage extracurricular pursuits. Support your child's interest outside of academics, whether it's sports, music, art, or any other passion. These activities can boost their confidence and motivation to excel in their studies. Engaging in hobbies they're passionate about can enhance their overall sense of fulfillment. 8. Seek professional help when needed. If your child faces difficulties despite your best efforts, consider professional guidance. Identify learning styles. Consult with an educational professional or counselor to identify your child's unique learning style and any potential learning challenges. Tailoring their study methods to suit their individual needs can make a significant difference in their academic journey. Fostering a genuine interest in studying is a gift that will accompany your child throughout their lifetime. By creating a positive learning environment, encouraging curiosity, making learning enjoyable, providing unwavering support, and instilling a growth mindset, you can set your child on a path to academic success and a lifelong love for learning. Remember that every child is unique, so be patient, adaptable, and open to discovering what truly sparks their interest and enthusiasm for studying. With your guidance and commitment, you can empower your child to not only excel academically, but also embark on a fulfilling journey of self-discovery through the joy of learning.